We are at Snowdrop Crescent in Launceston to see this 3-bedroom house. It's located quite near the start of the development, and there's parking in tandem here. So nice corner plot. You've got lovely views as well. There's a gate there to the garden, so I'll just take you in. So in the entrance hall, you've got access straight away to a downstairs toilet. And then if you lead through is the lounge, which is a really good size. Here's your outlook. You've got an understairs storage cupboard, and then it leads through to the kitchen diner. So the garden is really nice and low maintenance, all fully slabbed, which is very handy. So up to the first floor are the 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. So the smallest of the bedrooms is here. Looks out to lovely views, and obviously the garden. Second bedroom, again, also looks out onto the garden and views. Bathroom and panels just being replaced on the side there, and you've got a shower over the bath. And finally is the master bedroom, which is a really good size, plenty of room. And there's actually 2 windows in here, which makes it nice and bright as well. Storage cupboard,